What's up, YouTube? It's me again. And Jude. It's the Jude! So today I thought I wanted to whiten my teeth again and look and see if I can find this on the internet for a better price because I spent a lot of money on this stuff last time. And I mean, I don't mind. It's a really great product and it works really good. It's just a little pricey. So I thought, okay, well, what does it hurt to just Google search it? So, hey, I'm going to buy this. And I want to see if they sent me the right thing. If it's the same thing that I got at my dentist's office, or if I ordered it from Walmart. It came in the post, just the USPS. And, I mean, it feels like me. Hopefully it is. So I ordered this opalescence, and I think it's far superior to a lot of the other whitening products that you can buy on the market. I have really sensitive teeth, and I just cannot even touch those Crest white strips. Like, I cannot, and I'm sorry. But I just can't mess with them. It's like uncomfortable. So I went with something a little bit more expensive, but better for my teeth. I'm pretty sure this is the right thing. So. Bum, ba-da-da. Yes, all right. Walmart for the win. Saved me $25. Okay. So I order from Walmart again, and even though I really like my dentist and my dentist office, they overcharge and mark up the price. So sorry, not sorry, but my teeth are at this shade right now. So I really like this brand, which I never had heard of it before. But what I got was the Opalescence Go. Go is pre-filled trays, so you don't have to mess with those syringes of whitening or measuring out how much you need to put in there, because they have already done it for you in this handy dandy pack. What's more, these green things, they actually come off. This is from the last time, and it's really actually kind of neat how it works, because you'll get the piece out, the tray. There's like a tray in the trayception. You put it on, and then you take this out, and the tray sits in your mouth, and it's really nice. It's not uncomfortable. You can leave it on for a lot longer. There's only 15% mint. I think has a lot to do with the sensitivity, and my dentist said you could like sleep in it. So we'll be getting the use out. There are 10 in a box, and I highly recommend it. It's the best whitening stuff I have found so far. With the Rembrandt whitening strips, but even then, these are better. I'll post a video maybe of the progress, and we'll see how white I can get these teeth. So thanks for stopping by. Let me know what you think. I want to know if you like to whiten your teeth with opalescence, or maybe you don't. Seriously, it does not make my teeth even a tenth of how sensitive Crest's white strips made my teeth so sensitive. So, saved $20. Yes. We gotta go. Let me know what you think. Give it a thumbs up if you liked, to give it a thumbs down if you didn't, because I don't care. Peace.